Okay, the next question is swap two numbers using pointers. Swap two numbers using pointers. Okay, first I'm importing the header file, that is hash include str.h. Next, this is the starting point of the program, int main function. So two variables are there. One is the int a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 10. So it means I have to swap these two numbers in this variable only. So it means right now a is a 5 and b is a 10. But after swapping the value, the a should be 10 and the b should be 5. So this is the swap two numbers using pointers. I am swapping these values in a same variable, but I'm swapping the values only. Okay, this value coming to here and this value coming to here. That's it. Now we have to solve this problem. Okay, the first is int a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 10. So right now a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 10. Okay, before swapping I'm printing these two numbers, so my output should be like so before swap a is a 5 and the b is a 10. So after swap also I'm printing the value, that is a will become 10 and b will become 5. Okay, interchanging. So now we will check. This is the before swap. So here I'm calling one function, that is swap two numbers using pointer. So that's the reason here I'm passing the address operator. So the function name is swap of address of the A and address of the B. So it means I'm passing some parameter, that is address of the A means some value 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means I'm passing the address of this variable, and here also I'm passing this same type of the value, that is the address of the B, that is also 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 14, like that. This type of the value I'm passing. Okay, I'm just passing the address of the A and address of the B. Okay, but after passing this value into here, that is the main that is the swap function. So the swap function is void, because the void is I'm not returning anything. That's the reason I'm using the void return type. And the function name is swap. The swap of integer type of the data, that is x, the pointer x, comma integer type of the data, that is the pointer y. So it means the what pointer x contains and what pointer y contains. We have to know. Sorry, we don't know actually. So the pointer x is the value of this address of A. The pointer x is the value of this address of A means what? That is the 5. So right now the pointer x doesn't contain the address of this variable. It contains the value of this A. It contains the value of this A. What is the value of this A? That is the 5 directly, not a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. The same way, the pointer y is equal to, what is the pointer y value? That is the 10. The pointer y is a 10, not a address of b value. It was accessing the value of the address of b. The value of the address of b is 10. 10. I'm accessing here. Okay. So right now, star x, right now, star x is equal to 5 and star y is equal to 10. The same way we already solved so many times, the swapping two numbers. So that's the reason we are always going to use the one temporary variable, that is the is equal to temp is equal to star x. Star x contains 5 no. That's the reason I'm storing the 5 into the temporary variable. Okay, temp contains the 5 right now, and star x is equal to star y or pointer of y. So pointer y have a value 10. Pointer y have a value 10. I'm storing that value into the star x. So right now star x have a 10. Okay. The finally star y is equal to temp. So temp contains 5. So that 5 will be stored into the star y. So just think, I'm ignoring this temp value. I'm never going to print this temp value. Right now star x have a 10 value and star y contains the value that is 5. So before that, before running this code, the star a have a value that is 5 and b have a value that is 10. But right now the x will have a value that is 10 and y have a the value that is 5. The star value pointer x and pointer y have already swapped. So in the same memory only it was swapping. It means, just think, I will give one example. So variable name is A contains 5 and variable name is B contains 10. Okay, when I'm passing these condition, so A address that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will be passed to this function, and when I'm calling the same function, the address of B also I am passing here, the address of B. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, not 14 will be passed to the this function. So right now after swapping this condition in the same memory only we are swapping, so we use the temporary function. So right now it's a star x that is 5 and this is the star y that is 10. So after swapping this condition, just think, star x have a value 5 that is stored into the temporary function. So temp contains the 5 again. I will change the color. Temp contains the 5 value 5 and star x have a value 10 actually. Okay, sorry, value 5 actually. I'm storing the value that is 10, that is 10. Okay, and the star y have a value that is 10, but I'm storing the value that is 5 into the star y. So in this way we are solving the problem. So right now what happened, the A contains the value that is 10 and the B contains, in the same memory only, the B contains value that is 5. In the same memory only we are changing. We can call it as a call by reference topic. Okay, here we are using those logic, call by reference logic, because here we are passing the value with the address by using pointers. Okay, the finally when you are printing the value of the, after swapping the value, A should contains 10 and B contains 5 value. Okay, right now we will run this code. Okay, once. So before swapping the A is a 5, before swapping the A is a 5 and B is a 10, but after swapping the A is a 10 and B is a 5. Thank you, I hope you understood.